Alright guys, so mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point? So guys, you will have to take time and watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part, understand? So what you need to do, you don't even need to record an empty background. You just go to one end of the screen, just like what you see me do right here. You do the kicking, you can do the punching, you can just do anything. You get my point? You can decide to kick, you can decide to punch, you can decide to do both, depending on the number of people you want to use for the video. You get my point? So when you are done with that, you can now save your video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. You get my point? Alright, on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded. You get my point? Now what you need to do, we recorded an empty background which we don't need for this, so I have to first of all mute the background noise. So now you have to tap on the video layer, click on split, then delete the beginning, because this is how I want the video to start. You get my point? So let's go over to the ending part of the video so that we can delete the ending part. So from here I would want the video to end from here, so I'll tap on the layer, tap on split, then delete the ending part of it. Alright, so now let's go over to where the character is about to kick. Understand? So from that part you're going to tap overlay, then click on add overlay. So you're going to bring your picture right here. I don't know if you get my point. So let's just do it. So this is Geh Geh, your financial expert. You get my point? So you want to use his picture for this. So what you are going to do, you can just extend, it's a picture, you can extend it to any length you want, but I want to keep it at 4.5 seconds. So from here you are going to just tap on the picture layer as it is, go to remove BG and click on auto removal and remove the background. So when you are done removing the background, this is how it's going to look like. So you still have another work to do right here. So you click on the navigation button, go and look for mask. So see mask here. Now click on circle. So what you do right here is to don't make it too big. You have other characters coming, and football is not too big. So you want to just assume Geh Geh is now a football. So guys, if you are getting value from this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. You get my point? So now what you have to do next, when you resize it, when you make it small, you have to tap on the layer as it is like this. You can decide to add keyframe at the beginning, or you can decide to drag it out of the screen from where you want it to start coming in. Then you add keyframe at the beginning, then you drag the picture. Just drag it towards where the leg is. Understand? See what I'm going to do right here. So from this particular point, I'm going to drag it to where my leg is. I believe you are getting my point. Then you move the video a bit. Just move the video a bit. You get my point? Then you now drag it out of the screen. So maybe I'm gonna do it again with the other character that is following, so you would understand better, because I don't want to do it with all the character. I don't want the video to be too long. So I believe with this you'll be able to get it. Just drag the guy out of there. That's Geh Geh. So when that is done, see how it's gonna be. I believe you get it, and that's very perfect. So you can decide to cut out this other side because it's no more useful, or you can decide to leave it there. Alright guys, so I don't want this video to be very long, so you will do the same thing, understand? Even if you want to use 5 characters, 10 characters, this is the same thing. You will use this format to do it. You get my point? So guys, if you've been looking for ways to appreciate me on this platform, now YouTube is very good. They have created a tab where you can appreciate me through that tab. Now it's this dollar sign you are seeing here. When you click on it, if you are a Nigerian, you can appreciate me with as low as 400 naira. Understand? I appreciate gifts so much. So if you are in other countries, you will see your own currency, you see the amount you can use to appreciate me, and it's very good. You get my point? So that's just it, guys. I'm just saying this because so many people do not know how to go about it. You get my point? So when you are done with all the characters you used for this, you can now go and add your sound. Go to Sound FX and then add your sound, and you are good to go. You can now save your video to your gallery. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you have used your favorite celebrity in this video. You get my point? And just let me know the person's name. You get my point? So see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.